roll. No! Oh, I couldn't touch the other person because I'm not being safe, right? So we got to think about, am I being safe? Am I being helpful, okay? It's not helpful to do those things, so I need to stop. Can I grab my ruler and take it and go? Yes. Yeah, because that's what I need to do to be safe, okay? So that's one of those things. You guys know about my scissors. If we talked about scissors, if we can't use them safely, we can't use them. Same thing with our rulers. If we can't use them safely, we cannot use them. Thumbs up if we understand. All right. Okay. The materials we're using today are our rulers, our pencils, and our paper. So when I call you by table number, you'll get up and you'll grab all three. What are we grabbing?
All three.
Which are what? Paper, pencil, and a ruler. Okay? Okay, table 1. You can line up and grab your materials. You're at table 1. Yep. It's an outside thing. Get in the line though. Get in the line. Hold on. We know how to make a line. Back it up. Oh, freeze. Back it up. There we go. There we go. Go first. That's very nice. Thank you. Okay, well, you want to take some of your house out. You have everything? What do you need? A pencil? Okay. Okay. Table 2. You can come on up. Not putting your finger in it, bud. Oh, I noticed some friends who did what I asked. They put their ruler down. Did we draw anything yet? Should you draw anything yet? No. Nope, this is a step by step. Table 3 and 4. Come on up. Alright, what's the argument? You guys are table 4. You can take table 4. There you go. No, we're getting in line. We're not cutting. Get in line. There you go. Oh, we forgot your paper. Oh, whose ruler is on the table?
Wait, mine goes over.
Well, yeah, because you want to know something? Those papers are not 12 inches long. Those papers are about 8.5 by 11 and a half, depending. So, and the other thing is,
These are real rulers.
yeah, they got on it up here. Yeah. And actually, it's exactly 12 inches. Yeah, we're just reusing it. We're recycling it. It is 12 inches. See, that's fine. After you start, okay. Fine, so stop this a little bit. Oh, do honey. Okay, go sit down. Give me your pencil. Real quick, take your paper. Take your ruler. Take your pencil. And match me. Look at what I just did. Paper, pencil, ruler. Who can make their paper and ruler and pencil look like mine? Yeah, we're not moving anyone else though, Cassidy. You can always use the bow. Alright. Eyes on the board. Ready to listen? I see most of you got it somewhat matching. Well, my son just moved it, but we're going now. So, is anything in your hand?
No.
Nope. Okay, in art, we have paper orientation. So, when it's long, can everybody see?
Yeah.
Yes. When it's long, it's called landscape because we can make a landscape, like outside of it. And then, when we flip it, it's tall, like portrait. So, if you were to take our ruler and we're going to make it tall. Make your ruler tall on your landscape paper. Tall rulers, landscape. Yes, when you get back, I'll catch you up, James. I'll call them and let them know. Just for this second. I know, we're gonna have them take a look at it. Alright, that's stop, look, and listen, right? What's your job when you're done with the step? Oh, Cassidy's got it. Thumbs up. If you're done with the step and you start talking, it's gonna take forever to do all these steps, right? But if you do a step and give a thumbs up, we are ready to go on. Okay. We are going to go over how to use the ruler. When I use my ruler, do I use it like this? No. We have to hold our ruler with our opposite hand and we draw a line. We use it for a straight edge or measuring. Today it's a straight edge, okay? Oh, she didn't tell you what to draw just yet. Okay, everyone put their rulers in the middle of their paper. Okay. Alright, after it's in the middle, we're gonna whoop over to the side a little bit. And then we will hold our ruler and drag our line. Thumbs up when you have drawn your line. Guys, one thing I have to know is Miss M is left-handed, so everything she does is going to be opposite. That is true. So sometimes we can't match exactly what she's doing. We need to draw on this side, okay? I know, but you did it on the opposite side, okay? You're right-handed, so next time you're going to do it on this side of the ruler, okay? So the top is right-handed. Good job. Which hand do you write with? So this way? That's your right hand. Run away.
I usually write
here. Okay. The ruler. So let's lift your ruler and then drag it down. Why do we stop? Top to bottom. Okay. That's okay. It doesn't cut all the way. Does everybody have their line? Yeah. Thumbs up. All right. Now, we're going to put our rulers back in the middle, and then we are going to whoop to the other side.
Can we do mine now?
Did you not do your first one? Oh. And once your ruler is to the other side, you can drag your pencil and make your other line. Thumbs up when you have your second line drawn. Okay, we're going to spread your lines out just a little bit, okay? Let's do it again. You got one line. Yep, watch your thumb. Drop. And then move this one over this way. When you have your two lines, give us a thumbs up. Yep, that's on the ruler. So we Okay. And I'm like, that's good. I feel like they were trying to follow me when they were doing it you. And then I was like, this sounds going to come around and because I was trying to put them on the board, but then all the writing was when you're done with this set, should you talk? You gotta just, okay, first of all, you gotta put this side, this is the straight side, okay? That's what's gonna help you, okay? Because you're left-handed, right here. So then you gotta put your pencil on this hand, here, and then you drag it across the side. See? Alright, and then you'll do this one. Okay? Nope. Cassidy, here. Thank you. Abigail, cooler. Guys, I told you, if I hear you, use the number one from. Use them. I was getting him. Oh, okay. I noticed two friends at table one are giving thumbs up and are quiet and are ready for the next step. Okay. So in our first box, we are going to use lines. Can everybody say line? Line. So you can use any line you want. You can do straight lines. You can do wiggly lines. Zigzag lines. But we're filling our box with any lines that we want to make, okay? Yeah.
Any line you can think of.
Any line you can think of.
That's fine. Now I see what.
So now you're doing a box you want.
You want to.
So if you notice Miss Ann did 3 different types of lines, you could just do one. Not straight. Not straight. We're doing lines. We're doing lines. What happened? Ooh, that's what happened. How do you do many lines? Just one. When you do your lines in one box, you give a thumbs up. Now, in one of your boxes, you need to draw a line. Wiggle, zigzag, straight. What kind of line do you want to do? You want to do like this? Straight line? A zigzag line? Straight line? Your ruler in your box. Okay, so you just have one box. That's all you're in for. Good job. I appreciate those who have your thumbs up. We just had a few friends to help real quick. It's okay. Now we're going to do the next one. You ready? Thumbs up. I noticed a lot of talking. Can we talk when the teacher talks?
No.
Okay, so if you're done with this step and your thumbs up and you're talking, is that helpful?
No.
No, that is hurtful. So right now, helpful by listening. Stop and listen. Okay, we're going to do our second box. In our second box, we're going to use shape. Can you say shape? Shape. So you can do just one shape in your box, a bunch of squares or circles. You can put different shapes, triangles. You can make them big or small. But I want you to fill your box with shapes, okay? So right now you should be doing your shape of your choice. Square, circle, heart, stars, rectangle, oval. You can do all of them.
Look, I'm doing pattern of shape.
Wow. I noticed that you two are doing a lot more talking and not a lot of more listening and working. Would you like to stay sitting next to each other? Okay, so then we have to be helpful and do our job. Okay, so right now, fill up your shape box. What's your favorite shape?
No, I was talking because I feel hot.
A heart? Okay, so finish up your shape box. You can talk and work. Talking or chatting, helpful or helpful. Oh, it almost sounds like we're ready for the next step. Are we ready? If you are, put your thumbs up. Well, we have a couple friends we're waiting. Okay, we're going to move on to the third box. In the third box, we are going to make a pattern. Can we say pattern? Pattern. Okay, your pattern can be with just lines, just shapes, or both. Okay? So, I'm going to do both. We'll do shape, line, and we're going to fill our whole box with the pattern. Miss, do I have to use both lines and shape? No, I said you could do one or the other, or you could combine them. Okay, so if you could do a line, you could do zigzag, wavy, or you could do like Miss M did, and she just did triangle, square. So Miss M, can you show them another example? Or you could do, can we do this one? We could do this one, which is just line, straight line, wavy line, straight line, wavy line, and then eventually we are going to use color, so you could just do a bunch of lines and then color it in with a pattern. So red, blue, or red, yellow, green. So it's up to you, but eventually we will use color. So you can keep that in mind. Wow, you've got a bunch of patterns going on. So then does it go straight line, straight line? Is that, yeah? You could do another You're done with the steps.
And then you keep, or you keep
Thumbs up. Are we talking with thumbs up? Okay. So your last 3 boxes are up to you, but have we drawn any pictures yet? No. So technically we can draw a picture, but we have to make it into a design. And pictures are made out of shapes. So what shape is this?
Circle.
What about this?
Circle. It's a cat.
Is it?
Yeah.
I see her.
Owl. Owl.
What's that?
Owl.
A curved line. A curved line. Okay. Yes, we see the cat now, but is she drawing shape?
Yes.
Is she drawing lines?
Yes.
Okay, so that's what Miss Em was asking. Is what was she drawing? So now that she put all her shapes together, are they a cat?
Yeah.
So we can't just leave a cat floating in the middle of our box. So we have to turn it into a design. And to do that, we can add more lines and more shapes. So I'm going to put a line here, maybe a line here,
It's just lines on the
and then we'll do some circles, some squiggly lines, more straight lines, and then we have a design. So if you want to draw a picture with your shapes and lines, you have to turn it into a design, okay? You can't just see your house and out in the field or your dog in the grass by a tree. We have to make it into a design. But you guys can do anything you want from the last 3 as long as you're using shapes, lines, and pattern, okay?